right, today I'm here with Tristen Knight and Charles Lionheart Ellis, and my name is Jason Knight, of course, that's who I am. And we wanted to do, well, they didn't want to do, I talked them into it. They actually didn't want nothing to do with it. But I wanted to do an hour-and-a-half challenge, so we're going to design, forge, grind, and harden our knife. The tempering will be done later and handle finishing will be done later. So in an hour and a half, we're gonna do this. And the fun part was we'll be all amongst each other, so hopefully nobody gets burnt or injured. Charlie, what are you gonna make?
Something funky.
All right, great. Tristan, what are you gonna make? Something
sharp, I guess. I don't know.
Sharp, I guess. I don't know. Well, I want to whip y'all's asses if that's possible, but I got a hard crew here. Two guys can actually probably forge better than me. So let's get to it and have a lot of fun. And really, this is just to make people cringe a little bit and make them go and have fun. But we're gonna actually not screw it up. It's gonna be great. Here's when you're disqualified. If you quench and there's fire, disqualified. Any other ones you want to be disqualified for? Being asked to compete in this? No? Charlie? Alright, go choose whatever steel you want to. Let's go.
I'm gonna make some kind of choppy thing with a big point. Maybe sort of brutalistic looking.
What kind of steel you got there?
That there's ADCRV2. Pretty much my favorite kind of steel. Some 3/8 by 1.5 inch ADCRV2.
Charlie, what did you choose?
I chose some ADCRV2.
What size?
Thick.
Thick, great. Tristan, what did you choose?
I chose ADCRV2. It's a very unique steel. There's only so much of it. It's very special.
I chose ADCRV also. Alright, dad joke.
ADCRV2 also.
Well, seeing as that there's about a ton of it over there, I'm going to choose that. It's the same thing every time. This sponsored by, no, it wasn't sponsored by anybody but me. So, I think everybody's done with the blade forging portion. You know, sometimes you've seen people want to do a double bladed knife or something. So Charlie's doing a double handled knife, or it's a slingshot handle. I don't really know, but I like it. I don't know how it's gonna go, but hopefully I'd like to see it become a slingshot handled hunting knife. I think that'd be great.
How we doing?
I think I'm doing pretty good.
Is that it?
Yeah. We got 25 minutes left. Charlie's doing something awesome. Tristen, how's yours going? Normalizing? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, we're getting close. 25 minutes. All right. Close it. Yeah. Shoo. Good. That might ignite.